Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your Facebook Marketplace location in iOS. First step is to open our Facebook application. Go to your profile. You will find an option saying Marketplace. Tap on it. As you can see, there are many variety of things to purchase from. And you will see in my marketplace, the location it's showing Delhi, India. So if you want to change it, tap on it. In the search option, search the desired location you want to set. As for example, I'm setting Chandigarh, India. And yeah, you can also select how much distance you want to cover. Right here, I'm selecting 100 kilometers. So it will give a signal to the marketplace to search all the items which are on selling in the radius of 100 kilometer only. Then go back to your marketplace and boom, as you can see, the location has been changed. As I have selected Chandigarh, India, it's now showing Chandigarh, India with the desired location I have set, and it's 100 kilometers. So that's it guys. If you like this video, leave a like, share, comment for more.